Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing fairly well, and in this video I'm going to talk about Finelo app and it will be an honest review. Is Finelo really worth it buying or not? So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So if I talk about what is Finelo, then I need to mention that Finelo is an educational trading platform designed to teach users about investing and trading. It offers AI-powered tools in interactive lessons and a stimulate training environment to help users to learn and practice investment strategies without risking any money. There you can see. So we can go one by one. Then let's find out the options. Worth well, full-time job, I'm comfortable, and let's click on continue. Then if I talk about the pros, like every app or application has pros and cons, so I'm going to talk about that. It is user friendly interface, like Finelo boasts a clean and intuitive design, making navigation straightforward for user at all levels. Comprehensive educational content. The app provides over 217 hours of content across various investment topics, including stock, crypto, and passive income strategies. Also, the next one will be interactive learning tools. So here, like they features like quizzes, simulations, real-world case studies enhance the learning experience. Also, AI chart analyzer. User can upload charts to receive AI-driven analysis and helping them understand market trends and patterns. So these are the pros. I hope you understand. Like similarly, on the other hand, if I talk about the cons, there have some cons. That is, it is not free. It runs by subscription model. Like if you want to access to Finelo's full feature, requires a paid subscription with plans starting at 6.93 per week. Also, cancellation issues, like users have reported difficulties in cancellation, subscription, and obtaining refunds, cheating, unclear policies, like citing unclear policies and unresponsible customer support. Also, mixed user reviews. Many praise the app educational value, others have expressed concern about unexpected charges and the effectiveness of the content. So I hope you understand how good it was and what is the drawback it has. If I talk about the user perspective, then I will say that user experience with Finelo are varied. Some appreciate the app approach to investment education, nothing its engaging content and practical tools. And also, however, others have raised concern about billing practice and customer service responsible. So I hope you understand what I am going to talk you but tell you. And if I give you the final verdict about this app, then I will definitely say that Finelo offers a comprehensive platform for individuals looking to learn about investing and trading. It's a combination of educational content and practical tools can be beneficial for beginners. However, potential users should be aware of the subscription model and ensure they understand the terms before committing. It's advisable to read user reviews and perhaps start with a short-term plan to access the app's suitability for your needs. I hope you understand what I really mean to you, and I tell whole the process and whole the information with you guys. Now decision totally up to you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.